All right, chapter 10 is homework 20 and 21. Homework 20 here, we're going to start by sketching the least squares regression line. The least squares regression line is sometimes called the line of best fit. You want the line that goes through this data as closely as possible. You're just sketching, you're not finding it exactly, so all you're going to do is put a line through that data that goes somewhere close, so just your best guess is okay. And so in this case, I'm just going to start down here and I'm just going to make my line and go up through here, and it goes somewhere close to my data. So that's called the least squares regression line, or the line of best fit. And so here they had their bivariate data for the quantitative variables x and y in the table. They put all the points on the table for you, and you're just going to sketch the least squares regression line, or the line of best fit. So just whatever your best guess is, pretty easy to do. The line tool on Alex, you're just going to click in two spots, one on the bottom, one on the top, and it'll put that line through there for you. Number 2 then, my bivariate data for the quantitative variables x and y are given in my table below. Again, they plotted all the data for you. In the scatter plot, sketch an approximation for the least squares regression line, otherwise known as your line of best fit. And so you're just going to approximate it anywhere in there. This one in this case is going to go down, and if I had a straight line there, it'd be close to my line of best fit. So it doesn't have to be exact, just approximating where it is, as close to the dots as you can to get a line that goes in the middle of your dots. Number 3 here, if I slide this up so we can see it. Again, our bivariate, that means there's 2 variables, an x and a y. For our quantitative variables are given in the table below. These data points are plotted in the scatter plot, so they've plotted all the points out for you. In your scatter plot, sketch your approximation for the least squares regression line. So my least squares regression line is my line of best fit. I'm just going to approximate a line that goes somewhere close to the middle of my data, and so it might look sort of like that.